Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 26 is about equilibrium constant. So always look at the exact question, okay? Equilibrium constant. So you remember, okay, I got this reaction, so I remember the equilibrium condition. Equilibrium constant, remember, is the concentration of Z square over concentration of X square and multiply by the concentration of Y. So our task is to find out these three concentration in equilibrium. At first, okay, it's 1.2 and 0.6. It don't mention anything, so at first there is no Z, right? And then later on, there is 1 mole of Z, so 1.2 at first, 0.6 here, at last becomes 1.0. Look at here, same ratio of X and Z. So 1.0 mole of X is consumed, so remaining is 0.2. Y to Z ratio is 1 to 2, so only consume 0.5. Okay, so remaining is 0.1. Check it out, very important. 0.2, 0.1, and 1. Yes. Then substitute here, 1 square over 0.2 square over times 0.1. Now tackle them one by one is hard. So first look at the decimal place, okay? 0.1, 0.1, and 0.1. 3, 0.1, sorry. 1 over it means 6,000. And then 2, 4, 4. 2 times 2, right? It's 4, right? So over 4. So you can get it easier. First tackle the decimal place and then tackle the numbers, okay? So 1,000 over 4, what's the result? Yeah, you get it. D. 205. Because we are fantastic. Yeah. So see you for next question. Bye.